Do you want a sharper, more focused brain, starting today? It feels monumental, like climbing a mountain with no gear. We think improvement requires complex, time-consuming strategies, or some innate genius we don't have. But the path to a clearer, quicker mind is paved with small, simple habits. These aren't drastic overhauls demanding immense willpower. They're gentle daily actions that compound into lasting change. Enhance your memory, boost your concentration, feel more mentally agile. This potential is within your grasp. This essay will guide you with practical, science-backed habits to integrate immediately. You don't need expensive supplements, complicated programs, or a complete schedule overhaul. Your brain is dynamic, adaptable, and ready to be strengthened, one step at a time. Imagine waking up mentally clear and ready for the day, navigating tasks with sustained focus, recalling names, recalling facts, recalling important details. This is a tangible reality for those who nurture brain health. We'll break down exactly how to do this. We'll cover the restorative power of sleep and the cognitive benefits of social connection. I'll explain what to do and why each habit works so you have the motivation to stick with it. Ready to begin this transformative journey? Don't fall for the all-or-nothing trap. Embrace good enough. Not long ago, I found myself in a state of persistent mental fog. It was a subtle decline. It crept up so slowly I almost did not notice. I would walk into a room and completely forget why I was there. Misplacing my keys became a frustrating morning routine. By noon, a wave of exhaustion would wash over me. Deep work felt impossible. I chalked it up to stress, getting older, the busyness of modern life. I accepted it as my new normal, a slightly duller, more forgetful version of myself. The sharpness I once took for granted had been replaced by a low-grade struggle to keep up. The turning point wasn't dramatic. It was a quiet realization. At dinner, trying to recall a movie we'd seen a week before, my mind was a complete blank. Others debated the plot. I sat frustrated and embarrassed, the title just out of reach. That small failure became the catalyst for change. I decided I wouldn't accept cognitive decline as inevitable. If you could do only one thing to improve your brain function, it should be to prioritize sleep. We often view sleep as a passive state of inactivity, a necessary inconvenience. But your brain is incredibly active, running maintenance impossible while awake. Your dedicated cleaning crew and filing clerk on the night shift. Sleep clears metabolic waste and toxins and consolidates memory, strengthening the important, discarding the trivial. All-nighters rob your brain of encoding memories into long-term storage. Consistently getting 7 to 9 hours underpins learning, problem-solving, and a sharp memory. Create a consistent, relaxing routine. Fix your bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends, to train your circadian rhythm. In the hour before bed, dim lights and put away screens. Blue light suppresses melatonin. Instead of scrolling, read, listen to calming music, stretch, or do deep breathing. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Even blackout curtains or white noise can upgrade rest. Treat sleep as non-negotiable, an investment in long-term brain performance. What is one small change you could make to your evening routine tonight? Now that you understand the importance of rest, let's talk about the power of movement. Exercise isn't just for muscles or cardio. It powerfully boosts brain function. Movement increases cerebral blood flow, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients while clearing byproducts for a cleaner cognitive environment. It stimulates BDNF, fertilizer for your brain, supporting neurons, neurogenesis, and new connections for learning, memory, and flexibility. You don't need marathons or hours in the gym. Aim for consistent, moderate activity. Even 20 and 30 minutes of brisk walking daily makes a big impact. Find movement you enjoy. Dancing, biking, yoga, gardening. Get your heart rate up and break a light sweat. Build it into your day. A morning walk, an hourly exercise snacks, stretch, a few jumping jacks, or a quick corridor lap. Small bursts fight sluggishness and give a cognitive boost. Movement reduces stress and elevates mood via endorphins. A happier brain thinks more clearly. What kind of movement could you add to your day tomorrow? Just as a high-performance car requires premium fuel, your brain needs high-quality nutrition to perform. Food impacts cognition, mood, and energy. Processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats drive inflammation, oxidative stress, insulin resistance, and mental fog. Whole nutrient-dense foods supply building blocks for repair, protection, and peak performance. Focus on greens like spinach and kale. Berries, especially blueberries. Flavonoids improve communication and enhance memory. Remember, the brain is about 60% fat. Favor fatty fish, avocados, walnuts, flax, chia. These fats support brain cell membranes. Start small. Swap sugary cereal for oatmeal with berries and nuts, or eggs with spinach. Stabilize blood sugar, avoid crashes, and power sustained focus. Drink water through the day. Add one brain-healthy food weekly. Try meatless Monday, lentils or beans. Snack on almonds. Small choices accumulate into a resilient, sharper brain. But what about when you're not eating, sleeping, or moving? That's where our next habit comes in. Section 6. The mental gymnasium. Why your brain needs a daily workout. Your brain runs on use it or lose it, like a muscle. Challenging tasks create new neural pathways and strengthen existing ones. Neuroplasticity at any age. Mentally stimulating activities build cognitive reserve, the mind's resistance to damage, keeping you sharper, longer. Routine puzzles lose challenge over time. Step outside your cognitive comfort zone. New language, instrument, or class. Engage memory, attention, problem solving. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily. Sudoku, puzzles, logic, or reading something entirely new. Even small routine changes stimulate your brain. What new skill have you been curious about? Coding, painting, a recipe? Daily practice is an investment in long-term plasticity and resilience. Section 7. The art of deep work, reclaiming your focus in a distracted world. Our attention is under siege. Notifications, emails, endless info streams. Constant switching trains shallow, fragmented attention, undermining deep learning and problem solving. Counteract it with intentional focus blocks. The Pomodoro technique is simple. Set a timer for 25 minutes, work on one task only. Clear distractions, phone away, tabs closed, alerts off. Your only job is to focus. After 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Step away, stretch, move, breathe. Avoid your phone, repeat. After 4 cycles, take a 15-30-minute break. Regular practice strengthens your attention muscle. Flow becomes easier. Productivity, quality, and satisfaction rise when your focus is whole. Section 8. Calm the storm. How managing stress protects your cognitive power. Short bursts can help, but chronic stress floods you with cortisol and harms your brain. Elevated cortisol shrinks the hippocampus and disrupts mood, planning, decision-making, and self-control, creating mental noise and anxiety. Your brain diverts resources to survival, away from higher cognition. Protect your brain by managing stress. Take 2 minutes. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. Activate rest and digest and slow the stress response. Schedule small stress reducers, nature, music, a guided meditation, or a supportive chat. Practice them consistently, especially when you're not stressed, to build resilience. Which simple stress-reducing activity could you try today? Section 9. Connection and community. The social secret to a healthy brain. We have covered sleep, exercise, diet, mental challenges, focus, and stress management. But one more habit matters. Social connection. Humans thrive in community. Conversation is a mental workout. Listening, processing, remembering, reading nonverbal cues, and responding in real time. Strong social ties lower risk of cognitive decline. Social engagement builds cognitive reserve and flexibility. Positive interactions buffer stress. Sharing worries lowers cortisol. It's about quality and consistency. Reach out daily. Schedule a weekly coffee or game night. Join a club, class, or volunteer. Serving others builds meaning and brain health. Who is one person you can connect with this week? A sharper brain isn't a solo journey. Pick one habit from this essay and start today. If this plan helped, please subscribe, share it with a friend, and comment with the habit you'll try first. Pinned comment. Share your favorite tip and reply with encouragement.